Hey guys, I'm going to go over with you one of my morning routines to continue the process of what the body goes through in the evening, which is when it's repairing itself most efficiently. And I'm going to do this by making a juice, a couple juices actually. The first juice I'm going to make is a combination of bottled Concord grape juice and the juice from one lemon. This is the protocol from the Master Fast system. And I'm going to combine that with this herbal formula called GI Broom from Dr. Robert Morse, which has in it psyllium husk powder, bentonite clay, and activated charcoal, along with some other herbs. And those ingredients are what is in the plasma pudding recipe from the Master Fast system, which is the grape juice, the lemon juice, and those three powders. So let's get started. I'm going to first juice the lemons. And while that lemon continues to juice, I'm going to pour the grape juice. I'm going to use 1 cup's worth. And I'm going to mix the grape and lemon juice. And then I'm going to throw in the GI Broom. Now the 3 powders in here, the main ingredients, the psyllium husk powder, the bentonite clay, and the activated charcoal, their purpose is to pull toxins from the GI tract and push out the accumulated waste, which takes the form of mucoid plaque. Which is a lining throughout the colon and the large intestines. I'm going to take 1 teaspoon of it. I'm going to rinse this out, and I'm going to follow this with an apple lemon lime juice that I'm about to make. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to juice the lemons and lime first, because the citrus will help preserve the apples from oxidizing. You'll notice when you cut an apple or even bite into it and let it sit, it'll turn brown pretty quickly because apples oxidize pretty quickly. And the apples that I'm going to be using here are Fuji apples. Fuji, and along with Granny Smith apples, are the best apples to juice with because of their crispiness. So here we go. Sometimes I'll throw the peel in there. Other times I'll leave it out. So I'm going to throw a little bit in there. Cut the apple into small enough pieces for it to fit in there, and usually cut it into eighths. And there you have it. Apple lemon lime juice. Absolutely delicious. Cheers.